Alright guys, we're back inside Griffin and Ethan's garage right now. This entire garage is all theirs. All their cars are in here, so they own it. Got the FD inside. Got the Miata right here with... Oh shit, you got new rotor grids? Holy dude.
Got some new rotor grids.
Dude, those are sick. Fresh out the bag. Some Hankook Ventus RS4s, brand new, with the new diffuser. Oh my god!
And the new front splitter.
And the front splitter.
No, it's not on yet.
Oh, it's not on yet. Oh, okay. Oh, chassis mounted. Dude, those are gonna. Oh my god, dude, those are gonna look so. Dude, those are gonna look so sick, bro.
Yeah. Hopefully everything will be on by tonight.
The 16s are sick. Got that random white, that same Tesla that passed us like 3 days ago is also in this garage. Don't know who that is. Real TEs. Real brides. This man is balling out right now with the ND. The fastest on the spirited driving mountain.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Yes, fully legal. Bam, E36, we back in action, not really. Tire's still completely destroyed. I need to get a new set. But taking out this, there's just like a random bag of nuts on the back of this. Someone left their nuts in a sack on the back of this chair. Got the seat. The seat works, so just got to get some. It's like a 10 millimeter. No, that's bigger. That's like a 14. What's this one? This is also a 14, or what appears to be a 14. Got all this random stuff. Got the busted ass radio, busted ass alarm remote thing, little mirror. Also the plug to the the alarm. That's not coded. I'm just sitting in the back here kind of chilling, you know. Oh, yo. I got racing switches. Oh, NOS on. Random assortment of stuff back here. More random stuff back here. No idea what is this? Here we go. Weight reduction. Weight reduction at its finest. This is just it's not an Allen, it's just like a, yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. This was so heavy to get out. It took me like solid 30 seconds to pull it out. Now my back's broken. The seat blew my back out. I guess after successfully taking apart the motor, this is the motor to the back, so the recline part, so that's what was broken basically. Not broken, but it was this little plastic piece, the gear, that broke, as you can see. Took it out of there, and that's basically what was broken. We have to replace to have it work again, so it's like a very, very cheap piece, probably like gonna be like 10 bucks. Actually, since it's BMW, it'll probably be like $50, but we'll have to replace it, and then hopefully the chair, or the seat, will work again. Alright guys, don't mind me, it's really hot outside, but look at this. So you guys remember how my door wouldn't close? Oh my god, it's fully sealed now. How, you may ask? A piece of blue tape, that's all it took. A 2-cent fix has permanently fixed my window problem that I've been having, bro. Look, it's completely sealed. I can actually go drive it now. I'm gonna go test it out, see if there's any wind noise.
Get it as far as you can, try and start it. Or, you know what, for now, let's leave it unplugged. Yeah,
alright guys, we're back, trying to fix the FD right now. Yeah, basically, it's still running like shit, so. Yeah. But I have Ethan and Dan here. Dan's a certified Danza auto technician, so Ethan's he's certified BMW technician, so hopefully we can get this all sorted out.
I'm here for moral support.
Yeah.
Neither of our cars drive right now.
But yeah, you guys haven't seen the ND yet, but I can tell you right now.
Once I can actually, Once I can actually drive, it's over for you fuckers.
It's actually like, oh my god. It looks so good, bro.
Dude, once both these cars can drive, it's over.
We're actually gonna take the Beast and 9, so it's gonna be both.
Damn, that fitment though.
Huh?
That fitment, bro. Damn.
Oh, he's got stuck in the hole, bro.
What?
Oh shit. Yo, this kind of.
What? Yo, guys, if you want to buy a single VSKF, hit me up on Marketplace.
Wait a minute.
I'm selling one VS.
Yeah. You're selling the V.
Or
selling this?
yeah. Just,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, guys, just hit me up. My Venmo is
large street board. Does it stall? No.
Jesus.
Oh. Yeah, I just got a Bridgeport, bro. No, that's crazy.
Oh my God, that smells
Straight black fumes, like straight fuel.
straight up, dude.
Wait, you fry a TPS sensor from wires touching?
TPS might have just gone bad. No, I bet you could wire. I mean, positive, negative. You could put the sensor.
Alright, oh, the lens cap is on, that's why. Alright guys, we have, we're in the Tesla right now. We're in the Eco car on the Togue. We even have the map, see, it even has the map on the Tesla, so they knew that we were gonna be ripping the Togue, and they have the full map set up, just like in Forza, so, you know, really, a mini map, it's gonna help us out a lot. Yeah, we're revving it up really high right now. Oh, yo, watch out. Oh God, I'm scared right now. We're all-wheel drive steering right now, so this is the menace from the last video allegedly. That was it was Elon Musk actually. We're getting to a straightaway section, so we're gonna be
The alleged straightaway.
the alleged where the other guy drove off. So this car, this Tesla should be pretty good on this straight section. Oh my god.
Come on, Griffin.
I'm sorry to Griffin. Oh, I think it's raining. No, it's not raining.
No,
it's just
like
pellets.
wind. It's been hella windy today.
Dude, our car's gonna get blown around everywhere. Dude.
I won't be able to hold it.
Dude, the wind's gonna blow us off the course.
Dude,
I mean,
won't
off
be able
the
to go
road.
straight in the road.
Dude, oh no.
like-
Dude, imagine wheels on this car. This would be insane.
Actual tires in this car would be nuts.
Dude, Tesla Toge. All right, now we're caught behind some regular ass traffic. It's okay though. Happens. All right, guys. So my phone's kind of low because I just came out of class. You know, my phone's a little low. What the? It has wireless charging right here. It has wireless charging underneath this. Is this self-driving right now?
Yeah.
We're self-driving
On Rainbow Road.
on Rainbow Road on the Togue right now. Okay, let me focus real quick.
I gotta have more cowbell.
What is happening right now, bro? We're self-driving while on the Togue, while chasing.
What the
And the
hell is
only
playing right now?
prescription is more cowbell.
I don't have any idea what's playing right now.
Oh.
But it is what it is.
Later, nerds. Damn, dude, should have brought this Prius Spec R. Could have kept up with us. All right, guys, we're gonna try to do a donut real quick in the Tesla.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh no!
Like, I'm trying to get this
Hey,
shitter
guys.
off your fucking...
Don't put that. That's how the video's gonna start. Yeah, so we're back again. Night number 4, 3 or 4. I forgot. I lost count of how many nights we've been here till 2 a.m. trying to fix this piece of garbage. But Dan and I last night looked at the wiring diagram for the FD. Shout out to I love your RX7 for posting that online. That scanned document. So we were able to. Well, I wasn't able to, but Dan and Ethan found the The ground, right?
Crack
It's
the
it's in the chassis right here, in the fender.
Yeah,
the ground.
do you have
Yeah. Yo guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. It wasn't super exciting. You know, we took a little break with the Tesla, and we like, this is like literally I didn't have time to film because I didn't want to sit there and hold a camera. It was my car, so I wanted to try to help as much as I could and try to like also understand what was going on, because at the end, like, you know, if this ever happens again and like Ethan or Dan aren't there, I need to be able to like kind of solve it on my own. So yeah, it was really tough. Every day after work or school, past 5 nights, been up till like 2 a.m., 1 or 2 a.m., just working on it, trying to just probe things, trying to find common grounds. Basically, the TPS, water temp sensor, and the air intake temp sensor all aren't working. They're all in parallel on the RX7 wiring diagram, and they share a common ground. We don't know where that ground is, or which wire is fried, or if the ground is bad. So that's what we're trying to trace. We're going to go back in it tonight for like the 5th or 6th night. But yeah, this is just what I've been dealing with, and it's been a pain in the ass. And honestly, like, a lot of people, newer cars, like, you don't understand how lucky you are to have a newer car. These older cars, like, the wires become brittle and old over time with, you know, the heat from the engine bay or turbo or whatever, you know, obviously gets hot in the engine bay, and then they get corroded, and then they break and they crack, and then they don't make good connections anymore over time. And that's basically what I'm dealing with right now, along with it being rubbed through too. So I probably shorted it somewhere. But yeah, like I got new wheels for the M3 today, so expect to see a video on that within the next like 2 days. I'll probably have time to edit it tomorrow, but today I'm pretty much booked out putting the wheels on, and then also going back over to Ethan Griffin's, and then obviously trying to locate the wiring issue again once again. So yeah, if you guys stayed till the end, like I said, really appreciate it, and see you guys in the next vid.